what I'm doing DIYs is going right around and getting my height pads. I like doing this. It is small enough. This bathroom is small enough that I can shoot around with my levels and it's accurate, but when I do it with my laser level, I know it's exact, because even a bathroom like this, I can go around and just looking at my bubble that can be slightly out. I know it's bang on by using my laser level, is what I'm trying to get at. Because when you're going around a bathroom like this just with your level, you can be 5 mil out and not know it. So this is the most accurate. And it's pretty quick. And if you've got your whole floor within a pencil line, see, that's bang on. On to the next. I don't have to have one in the middle. It's blocking my line. But I have, because my long level might be just a little bit too long, so I'll be using my 1200 level to go across. So it's handy to have one in the middle. If that was a little bit longer than my 2 meter level, if that was 2.2, I could use my long level. But I can't, so I won't. Bang on, Bootsy. I'm blocking my line. Make sure you're pretty level with your pad. Don't be setting up your pad and think that you're right and it's on the like that. No. Make sure it's level. So a DIY could actually have a little wee level just to check. I'm not using what I just suggested, because if I can't get it right after all this time, wow, I'm not a good tradesman. But that is level, I guarantee it. There's the line there, there's the line there, so I know I'm right. But a tradie, I mean a DIY, will have trouble getting that nice and flat. So if you got a little wee sucker level, it doesn't hurt to pay that, to use that. Okay, now all it is, what you do now, DIYers, is I will be putting my slurry down, which is my water and glue, and I'll just be filling in the dots. I want to get that strip drain right as well, so I'll be doing that. I'll set that up. I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm sure you'll learn heaps. If you don't, you will learn something. Even a professional will learn something. You know, I still learn little tricks here and there. So, you know, don't say or don't think you know it all. See ya. Bye.